Hey guys, we're doing part two.
Yep. Hey guys, we're doing part two because sadly the camera accidentally cut off. If you watch the maybe the video is too long. If you watch the first video, you will see a video where we switched lives. The camera cut off, so we're still the same. Mom is the daughter, and aunt, and the child. Well, I'm the mom, actually. So don't spare too much. Thanks.
Be quiet. So this is the finishing touch of the spaghetti.
Yeah.
And we have with parsley. I'm gonna go sit it at the table for
Okay.
you.
I was kind of holding it, and right now, remember we was cooking some meats. We're cooking some different type of meats. Chicken. Boneless one. Don't correct me, daughter. But you can correct me sometimes. So, yeah.
Okay, you can go move your camera to the table and eat your spaghetti, Mother.
Yeah, I'm going to eat while you cook. Make sure you be careful.
Okay. Don't do the video too long.
Oh, no.
Don't want it to cut off.
So, guys.
Okay, guys. There you go, Mother.
Thanks. Can you get me some water?
Yeah.
My mouth is dry. God is cursed. Every thank you for my food. Amen.
Would you like Crystal Light in it, Mother? Or water by itself?
Water right now.
Okay. There you go.
Okay.
Earrings, a pendant, all set in 14-karat white gold from Diamond Nexus. They are our first present to all of you.
Now let's taste this. This is so good. Thanks for helping me cook, Felicia.
You're welcome, Mother. You are welcome.
Mom, Felicia? Felicia.
Yeah.
So, you've been very good today. So, when we go to the store, I'll let you pick out a toy. Okay?
We'll see. Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Or you can pick out little stuff for your room. And guys, by the way, let's take a break from it a little while because, by the way, I have a unicorn room and I'm not done with it just yet. But when I'm done with it, I'll show you everything. Because I need to get like a little thing that goes over my bed. I still need to get a rug, a chair, a thing that goes in my bed, and LED lights. I still need to get that stuff. And I'll be back in.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Gold Bond Eczema Relief relieves 5 frustrating symptoms of eczema. My skin's back.
Itchy skin distraction, Cortisone 10. Works fast and relief lasts 10 full hours.
Felicia, what you want to drink?
I got something. Don't worry about me.
Okay.
I'll probably drink some water, too.
Okay.
Or my tea.
Okay. Wait, no, you're not allowed to drink tea. Well, yeah, you could drink iced tea, but no coffee.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, I forgot. She's allowed to drink tea. She's always asks me. She's not allowed to drink coffee. Guys, not y'all always ask me, can she have eyeliner or mascara, and I just say no.
You might also
She's not allowed to have that yet.
Medicare Advantage plan that includes the following benefits.
When she's like,
Dental,
maybe like a teenager or a grown up. Because when you're a grown up, you're 20. You have to be 20 to be. You have to be 20 to be responsible and be a grown up. Yeah. That's when she can do all that stuff.
At 800-582-9056. Both the call and the consultation are 100% free with absolutely no obligation.
Comment down below how you eat the spaghetti. Do you line it like this?
582-9056. That's 800-582-9056.
Because sometimes I have to do that. And then put it in your mouth.
Attention, if you're 55 or older, this message is for you. Millions of Americans were exposed to asbestos prior to 1982. You may have been exposed and qualify for cash compensation. This is not a lawsuit against the company you work for. Schedule your free asbestos health test. Call 855-579-52.
Make sure if you pour it in a cup, make sure you don't make a mess.
No, it's in the bottle.
Okay. I don't need you to make a mess.
So I called Morris Park.
And if you want juice later,
I'm attorney Morris Park.
if you want to pour it in,
We'll get to work right away on your claim.
don't make a
Give you
mess.
the maximum benefits you deserve.
2 surgeries, 8 medical procedures, years of doctors. The wreck changed my life. And the insurance company wanted to ruin it. But they didn't know who they were messing with.
Now that we'll just pick up spaghetti.
3451111.
And slurp it up like this.
Alright. I get the TV, Mom.
Okay.
Don't worry.
Thanks for doing it, Alicia.
You're welcome, Mom.
Tune in to win hot summer giveaways. We're
Chicken almost done.
Okay.
Monday, so this is our thing today. Giving love to the mamas. Donna, I gotta tell you, you had no idea that you were doing.
Don't burn yourself.
Okay. In the commercial break, all the other moms were checking, and they're holding their baby. They're checking on you. How do you feel?
I'm so blown away right now. I'm so grateful for this. It's so giving and lovely.
You guys are all so beautiful. You've got the mom rock band, and the babies are just phenomenal. Now it's time to continue this giveaway train. So, the word on the street is that I do love fashion, and that's what they say about me, and I do, and I love tiny top fashion, and that's why I could not resist getting the modern layette cuddle box from Chicago's own
Felicia, while you eating, you can play on my phone. Okay?
This came in my size. Organic goodies. They include 25 essential pieces, blankets, bodysuits. You can mix and match.
Basically, I normally play with my tablet, but
So this line I love. Danny, I don't know if you can top that because this is so sweet.
because
Well, I can add that it's got certified.
I'm filming with Felicia's tablet, she can play on my phone. Don't run my battery down.
Okay, ladies, I've talked enough. I gotta move on to another gift. When I'm walking out the door, especially when he was first born, you get the diaper, you get the binky, you get the wipes, you get the sanitizer, you get the cell phone, you get, well, guess what you got? You got Rebecca Minkoff's Chic Knocked Up. I love that name, baby bag. It is
This is so
stylish
good.
and functional. I would say it's a perfect combo for juggling your diapers, and you know, if you want to put your diamonds in there, you can do that too. And we have this for you today.
And guys,
Added bonus. It's super light.
remember, like I said, we did another video where we switched lives, even though we're still like kind of switching lives.
See if it's on post. I hope so.
Okay.
How much of a
Oh,
salvation.
no, another one.
Look at that. And you just whip that out and just put those little sweet cheeks on there, and off you go. And finally, Mama, award-winning team by Sherry Berry, paper in.
Remember when I said, oh, we switched lives? Like, stuff like that?
They created custom announcements for Navi, Asha, Adetino.
And the video cut off.
The darling from a distance design
And we're still doing it.
We'll hold them tight until you can too. That's a sweet, sentimental nod to their extraordinary birth.
How
So
to
you'll
say.
be sending these out to all of your friends and family as they shower you with love from afar until they can actually hug those little cuties. So, ladies, how you feeling?
Oh, grateful.
Listen, well, I'm sorry to come at you so fast and furious, but I just wanted to just give you some love and just say hi and best of luck on this journey.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. Well, Shauna, keep us posted. We can't wait to see baby Forrest and just that first hug from the two of you. A big thank you so much to my buddy, partner in Giveaway Crime, Danny Seo, for helping us plan our very first virtual baby shower. We're going to be back next Monday with even more fun surprises, so please stay tuned. And for more information on today's Mama's Giveaway, go to TamarinHallShow.com. And finally, it is the moment that y'all have been waiting for. Come, here we go. The chance to win everything that was featured here on our show. Go to Tamarin Hall Show Instagram and be the 100th person to comment baby on this video of my baby Moses tomorrow, July 7th at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. That is where we're going to open up the gates. July 7th at 6 p.m. Eastern on the Tamarin Hall
And make
Show.
sure after you eat, wipe your
Got
face.
that, baby?
Yes, ma'am.
Good luck, and
Okay.
thank you so much.
Cause guys, whenever I eat my face, it is a little dirty.
I'm attorney Ed Womack. For over 30 years, I've helped the victims of car wrecks get the money they need for medical bills, lost wages, pain and suffering.
I put the Womack on him, and it got me $300,000.
No one wants to pay. Someone has to make them.
Ed took the time to meet with me, prepared my case.
Now I'm going to see something. How did you like the spaghetti, Mother?
It's really good. I love it.
Okay.
Thanks, Ed.
Chicken done.
Okay.
Missing teeth, keeping you from living life.
I am a 30-year-old.
You gonna eat the chicken for later?
Because of the
Yeah.
inflammation, my teeth were falling out of my mouth.
And I showed you your
I felt the freedom to be
And guys,
to laugh, to crack the jokes. and
look at
to
this
laugh.
chicken.
I could eat it. It really did change my everyday life.
Boneless chicken breast.
Yeah, that is great crispy chicken. Now the key to have crispy chicken is mustard.
You've been hurt on the job.
Cause basically, chicken, all you gotta do is like put some little mustard and sugar thing, flour,
Insurance company mulls over your claim, thinking of ways to reduce your benefits. Finally, they're in offer. Should you take it?
and kind of mix.
How can you be sure? Settle
And
confusion.
stuff. And you might be like, ew, I don't like mustard. I ain't put in mustard, so just my chicken can be crispy.
Ready for action. Next
You put in the mustard so that way your chicken could be crispy, and you won't be able to taste the mustard at all, right?
Right.
Plus, Coldplay. They're going to be such a huge band. This will be on national television within 4 years. This is the worst day of my life.
How long were you there?
12. And possibly the most.
So if you're a person who don't like mustard, try this recipe because you won't even taste the mustard. But if you're a person who is allergic to mustard, don't try it.
Right.
Because everybody is not allergic and it works. And some people can eat chicken on mustard because it upsets their stomach.
Everyone is on edge and so careful about the germs, but I do have some good news. There is a place that we don't have to worry about germs. I saw this the other day. New York City will remove remaining payphones. It's good news for two reasons. One, because payphones are petri dishes, really, and two, because the only person still using the payphone is Superman. I bet there are some people in this audience who have never even used a payphone. If you haven't, where are millennials at? Who hasn't?
That's good.
Have you ever used a payphone? Raise your hand if you have.
Gotta watch my show
I
now.
want to see what else our millennials know. If you see your name, come on down here.
Comment down below if you watch Ellen.
I hug you from afar. What is your name?
Elena.
Hi, Elena. And how old are you?
I'm 19.
19 years old. All right. Okay. Yeah. Go ahead. You can reveal it. Do you know what that thing is right there?
What this is?
Yeah.
A can opener.
It is. It's a can opener. All right. And that's a can.
And this is a can.
Right.
Forget to run your
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right. Number 2.
When you Emma.
You know what that is?
Oh, an alarm clock?
It is. It is.
With the little
It's like
ring thing?
it's like a phone that doesn't make calls. All right. Do you know what this is?
When you get your play at
A check.
That's right.
Really big check.
Have you written a check before?
I have in the 4th grade.
Oh.
Like, not really since then, because I
You're
went
in
to
control.
a private
So you
school
go
where they
ahead.
taught us to do that.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's nice. They taught you to do that in 4th grade.
Already ate my food, Mother.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Okay,
Don't
an
be too
expensive
long.
private school. All
Mhm.
right. Here's your job. What you're going to do is I'm going to put you
Yeah.
on the clock. I'm not going to tell you how much time, but you're going to have to
So, me and Belicia just got finished eating. So, bye guys.
Bye. Peace out.